Hi, Lisa with Greenhook Studio, here with a quick stuffed animal repair today. This poor teddy bear had its eyes and nose ripped out by a dog, and its owner sent it to me for a quick repair where I will put in new eyes and a new nose and send it on home. Let's get to work. To put in new safety eyes, the kind of eyes that have a click-on backing, the best thing to do to put in new ones on a stuffed animal is to cut open the seam of the head and the body just very carefully. For this one, it was a little tricky because of all the fur. It took a minute to find the seam, and I wanted to open it up very neatly so it was easy to mend when I was finished. So once I had a little bit of an opening, I was able to see those original little white strings holding the head in place, and that made it much easier to open up. Now, since the only thing I need to do to repair this bear is click on the backs of the new eyes and nose, I don't have to open up the seam very far, just far enough for me to fit my hand inside. So once I've got this open enough to fit my hand in, then we're ready for the eyes. Once I was able to get my hand inside, I found where the eyes had been previously, and I pulled out the original backings, which were broken from being pulled off. And then I am able to put in my brand new eye. It was a little tricky at first to find the exact location, just like finding the seam for opening the neck, just because of all this lovely fur that Teddy has, but I was able to find the original spot, and then I'm able to click on the new back from inside, and then Teddy is all set with a new eye, and I can move on to the second eye. Again, finding the exact spot, pulling out the broken pieces before I can insert the new. There's just no reason to leave broken plastic bits inside a soft, cuddly bear. With this one, I will also click this back on and then double check the back on the other one as well and see if we can squeeze the other one just a little bit tighter. You can't hear it over my voiceover, but there's a nice satisfying click when that is in place. So next is the nose. His eyes are looking good, but his nose needs to be there. He just looks a little odd without a nose. So again, same process. Pull out the old. This one was not as busted, it was just a little misshapen. And find that nose spot, which was a little tricky. Trickier than the eyes, but I do find it eventually, I promise. There it is. You can see the little hole, you can see my finger. So I will insert the new nose and put on the new backing that is not deformed or broken, and get that one in with a nice satisfying click as well. Before I do the final tightest click, I double check to make sure that his nose is on straight and looking good before I really lock it in so that I would be unable to move it. Once that is locked in place with the final click, it's time to sew him up. My favorite way to sew up stuffed animals is with button and carpet thread for extra security and using a ladder stitch. This will be difficult to see here in this video with Teddy's fur, but for a ladder stitch, I go across one side, so in and out on one side, and then I go down to the other side and go in and out. And this type of zigzag pulls nice and tight and creates an invisible seam. It's a little bit tricky, again, to sew when he has this much fur. So the main thing to remember if you are stitching up a stuffed animal is to double check every time that you pull your needle through that you are going through the fabric and not just pieces of the fur. All right, I'm going to speed up these last few stitches and move on to tying it off. When I tie off a thread, I make sure to tie several knots for extra security, and then I poke the needle all the way through to leave a tail. So that makes it less likely for knots to pull out, because if it's going to pull any looser, the first thing it's going to do is move that tail around inside the body of the animal and not have any chance to pull out or have a thread sticking loose out of the bear. So I'll just clean up and get ready to send this bear home now that he's all tidied up. He looks so handsome with his fresh face. If you or someone you know has a stuffed animal that needs repair, just send me an email, greenhookstudio@gmail.com, and hopefully I can help you. Thanks for watching.